Today we are going to learn how to convert decimal to hexadecimal number. Now let's get started. I'm going to switch to VS Code. Here you can see in hexadecimal we represent 10 as A, 11 as B, similarly 15 as F. This is how we represent the numbers. And to find the hexadecimal, first we need to divide the number by 16. Then you will get quotient as 3 and remainder as 1. 1 is an x value, then 3 we need to pass to a next step. So 3 divided by 16 would be 0 and 3. 0 would be quotient and 3 would be remainder because 3 is smaller than 16. So this is how it works. Then we need to write the value from bottom to top. So 31 base 16. Now let's quickly write the code. In Python we have x built-in function. If you pass the decimal number to it, it will try to return the hexadecimal value for you. Here you can see we passed 49 and we got 31 as result.